Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto Repair. If your engine's been acting weird lately, raw idling, oil leaks, maybe even a check engine light, you might be dealing with a bad PCV valve. Today, we're diving into 10 symptoms of a bad PCV valve and how this tiny part can cause some big problems under your hood. Let's get into it. 1. Rough idle. Let's kick things off with rough idling. One of the most common signs of a failing PCV valve is a shaky or unstable idle. Why? Because the PCV valve helps regulate airflow between the crankcase and the intake manifold. If it's stuck open or clogged, it messes with the air-fuel mixture, and your engine will let you know, with vibrations and an inconsistent idle. 2. Engine misfires. A bad PCV valve can also cause engine misfires, especially when the engine is at idle or under light load. That same imbalance in the air-fuel ratio can make your cylinders fire at the wrong time or not at all. You'll notice stuttering, hesitation, or even a drop in performance. 3. Oil leaks. Seeing oil spots under your car, a clogged PCV valve might be the culprit. When crankcase pressure can't escape, it builds up and starts to force oil past gaskets and seals. This can lead to leaks in places like the valve cover, oil pan, or rear main seal. Fixing a leak is annoying and expensive, so don't let it get to that point. 4. Check engine light. This one's pretty obvious. A bad PCV valve can trigger your check engine light. The engine's computer monitors air-fuel ratios and emissions. If the PCV system isn't working right, it'll throw a code, often something related to fuel trim, vacuum leaks, or emissions. Get a scan tool or head to your local parts store to check the code if that light comes on. 5. Sludge buildup. If the PCV valve is stuck closed, it traps moisture and combustion gases inside the engine. Over time, that leads to sludge buildup, a thick, tar-like goo that coats internal components and reduces engine efficiency. Think of it like cholesterol clogging up your arteries. It'll eventually kill your engine if ignored. 6. Whistling or hissing noise. Hear a strange whistling or hissing under the hood. That might be a vacuum leak caused by a faulty PCV valve or hose. When air leaks through a broken or disconnected hose, you'll hear it, and your engine won't run right either. Always listen for strange noises. Your car talks to you. You just have to learn the language. 7. Increased oil consumption. If your PCV valve is stuck open, it can actually suck oil into the intake manifold, where it gets burned in the combustion chamber. You might not even see a leak, but your oil levels keep dropping. If you're topping off oil way too often and don't know why, this could be the issue. 8. Poor fuel economy. A bad PCV valve can make your engine run rich or lean, depending on how it's failing. Either way, your fuel efficiency takes a hit. You'll find yourself filling up more often, and you might even smell unburned fuel in the exhaust. 9. Black smoke from exhaust. Burning oil doesn't just disappear, it exits your tailpipe as black or bluish smoke. If your PCV valve is stuck open and letting oil into the combustion chamber, you'll definitely see smoke coming from the exhaust. That's not normal and it's not good. Time to check that PCV system. 10. Dirty air filter or throttle body. Last but not least, a bad PCV valve can send oily vapors back through the intake, which can contaminate your air filter or coat your throttle body. If you pop the hood and see a greasy, gunked-up air filter or throttle plate, you might be dealing with blow-by from a failing PCV system. How to fix a bad PCV valve. Quick guide. 1. Locate the PCV valve, usually found on or near the valve cover connected to a hose. 2. Remove the valve. Use pliers to loosen the clamp, then pull off the hose and remove the valve. 3. Inspect or replace. If it doesn't rattle when shaken, it's likely bad. Replace it with a new one. They're cheap. 4. Install new valve. Push or screw the new valve in, reconnect the hose, and secure the clamp. 5. Start engine and check. Let the engine idle and listen for leaks or odd sounds. So there you have it. 10 symptoms of a bad PCV valve. It's a small, inexpensive part, but it plays a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly and cleanly. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't ignore them. Inspect or replace that PCV valve before it causes serious engine damage. If you found this video helpful, Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with a bad PCV valve. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep those engines running strong.